Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Use the following command to install the required packages that allows your system to use HTTPS repositories and manage software sources. By running the following command, you download the Docker official GPG key and store it securely on your system. Next, add the Docker official repository to your system with the next command. After that, update the package list. Run the following command to install Docker Engine and Docker-compose on your server. Use these commands to enable and start the Docker services and its run on boot. Next, create a new directory for Mautic and navigate into it. Opens a text editor to create the Docker-compose configuration file and pass the following code into this file. This configuration defines two contained mautic and MySQL and set up all environment variables and storage volumes. Starts the mautic and database container in detached mode with the next command. Next, install the Apache with the following command. Enable necessary Apache modules for reverse proxying and URL rewriting with the following command. Create a new Apache virtual host configuration file. Pass this configuration and don't forget to change the server name with your IP address or domain name. Enable the new virtual host configuration file. Opens the Apache ports configuration file to verify that next port is being listened to. Lastly, reload the configuration and restart the page to apply all changes. Next, open your web browser and go by your IP address with the following port. Enter the database information like user, password, and database name. After that, create the admin user. Now just start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.